Welcome. Wait, where did all of my sound effects go? Oh no! All of my sound effects are gone! No!
What's wrong, Merlin? Why are you sad?
My sound effects are gone!
You are right. Mine's gone too.
I have no sound effects either! No.
That's just great. Somebody took away our character sound effects.
You are right, video.
My jump scare sound is gone. No.
Who took away all of our character sound effects?
It was me. Mew.
Eric Phenomator. You imposter. You are the only person that you took all the character sound effects including ours.
Yes, I did. I just got bored, that's why.
Oh my god, that's it, Eric Phenomator. You in our suit.
Oh shit.
There is no way how to bring back our character sound effects.
Well, let's just way has to be.
Okay.
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 Eric Xenomator, if you are watching this.
Shut up.